Okay, so OnePlus is going crazy with the updates of OxygenOS 16, even for OnePlus Nord series. Day before yesterday, OnePlus Nord 5 and Nord 4 received the update of OxygenOS 16, and now they have also rolled out for OnePlus Nord CE 5. In this video, we won't be talking about all the features of OxygenOS 16. You guys can watch out the video which is being displayed on the screen that covers each and everything. But there are some features which OnePlus haven't added or missing on OnePlus Nord series, so we'll talk about those features. But before that, guys, if you find a video helpful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my OnePlus Nord CE 5. First of all, let me show you the software information. If you go to About section, here you can see OxygenOS version is 16.0.1. If I scroll down, version is 16.0.1.300. And it comes with 1st November 2025 security patch based on Android 16. And guys, if you haven't received the OT update, just go to the software update section, tap on these three dots, select beta program, and you should see a release candidate build over here. You can download and install it. And guys, I'm again seeing a lot of comments regarding, beta or stable. Guys, release candidate builds are stable build. RC builds are released few days before the general rollout. So once you go to the RC section, you will see an OTA update, and the update size is 3.32 GB over OxygenOS 15. One thing which OnePlus misses out on all the OnePlus Nord series, and that's the charging animation. You guys can take a look at the charging animation present on OnePlus 15 and the charging animation present on OnePlus Nord 5 and Nord 4. And the same thing goes with the OnePlus Nord CE 5. We don't get to see that charging animation like flagship devices are getting. And if you take a look at the transparency in control center on OnePlus Nord CE 5 and OnePlus Nord 5, you'll see slight difference. We have better transparency on OnePlus Nord 5. It's only the case on OnePlus Nord CE 5. Even on OnePlus Nord 4, the transparency is really good. So such minor compromises you will obviously see on OnePlus Nord CE series. And guys, one thing which I want to inform you guys, on OnePlus Nord CE 5, instead of AI relight on other devices, you'll see AI portrait glow. But it works exactly same. There's just a name change, nothing else. Basically, if you guys are not aware about this feature removes shadows from the photo. You can see before and after. See, on OnePlus Nord CE 5, you won't get the always on display feature due to the hardware restrictions. On other devices, they do have added all screen always on display, but do not expect on OnePlus Nord CE 5. And that's because of the panel they have used. Also, on any of the OnePlus Nord series, they haven't added the integration of Google's Gemini in the Mindspace application. Let me show you a screenshot over here. So here you can see Google Gemini cannot access Mindspace data on OnePlus Nord series, though this can be done on other OnePlus smartphones. I'm not sure in future they will add or not, but currently with the first build of stable OxygenOS 16, they haven't added. Also in the smart sidebar, AI reply feature have been removed, but it's still good to see even on OnePlus Nord CE series, we do have AI features like article summary, AI speak, and screen translator. Also battery health section have also been removed. I'm not sure whether it was there previously or not, but if you scroll down, you can't see the battery health in the battery section. Let me know in the comment section below whether it was there or not. See, in the entire UI, OnePlus have added the frosted glass design on all the devices. But on OnePlus Nord series, you guys will not find this frosted glass design in the applications like Photos. If you see here towards the bottom side, there's grey background instead of that frosted glass design. And it's not only on OnePlus Nord CE 5, on the entire Nord lineup, they haven't added in the gallery application, including the latest OnePlus Nord 5. Also for the live alerts, OnePlus haven't added the feature of sports from Google on any of the Nord devices, even with the latest update of OxygenOS 16.0.1. Let's see if they add it in future, because it's a very thoughtful add-on. Depending on the team you have selected, whenever match starts, you'll see the scores in the live alert form. Another thing which they haven't added, and that's the live transcription of audio recording in the recorder application. And it's the same story on all the OnePlus Nord devices, including the latest OnePlus Nord 5. But you can later on transcribe the entire audio recording and also create summary. Also, if you guys are not aware, they have added this new feature, which is AI Clear Voice. If you see this blue color, that means AI Clear Voice have been activated, and if you tap it again, AI Clear Voice have been turned off. So I'll always recommend while recording the audio, make sure you have turned it on. So it removes the background noise and mainly focus on the speakers. And at last, in the game space application, you do have similar stuff like Pro Gamer mode, which also includes things like hyper frame rate, resolution, touch response, screen refresh rate. And they have also added this feature called Footstep Sound Boost. And actually guys, this is a very helpful feature in games like BGMI and COD Mobile. So let me show you an example here. So I'll keep the mic over here where we have the speaker. So this is the sound when this feature is turned on. And now this is the sound when the feature is turned on. So guys, there are not much of compromises, slight compromises are there, and those are for the obvious reason, because there should be something exclusive for flagship devices. But things like AI search, AI writer, AI translate and AI voice scribe features are still there. But you guys let me know in the comment section below, according to you guys, which all features they should also include on OnePlus Nord series. And meanwhile, if you have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.